Will you sort that telly out?
Roger runs a storm-chasing tour business.
Be quiet.
He brings people into the action, and he brings his cameras. The group is hot on the trail of a rapidly developing storm. Everyone is out of the vehicles taking in the sights.
It's going to be severe in no time.
It's clearly a massive storm, but to the trained eye, there's also something special about its ominous colour.
The sky was just a real dark color with a lot of green underneath the updraft base, which generally signifies a lot of big hail.
Oh my God, it's wrapping up right in front of us!
The closer it got, the meaner it looked.
Get out of here!
We knew that we were in big trouble unless we could get east.
Roger races furiously, trying to beat the storm.
Tried to hook east on Highway 212 to get out of the way and got right into the entrance of Cutting-Glass Stand.
Suddenly, traffic stops. Low visibility makes it impossible to pass on the narrow two-lane road. Roger is forced to pull over. With the storm just overhead, winds and hail become more fierce. Roger's wife, Karen, senses something bad is about to happen.
I used to get this gut feeling that something's wrong, and it was about that time that the window broke in on me.
There wasn't a whole lot we could do to protect ourselves.
Smashed windows send glass shards flying into the van.
I ended up cut up all over the face, all over my arm.
That lasted a good 8 to 10 minutes before it finally let up.
After the storm passes, the group takes a moment to share battle scars.
Just think of a Major League Baseball pitcher taking a baseball and hurling it at somebody's head.
Luckily, no one is seriously hurt, but bumps and bruises aren't the only damage.
There's hail from baseball-sized hailstones up here. There's some tennis ball-sized marks, a whole bunch of golf ball-sized marks. But you can see the entire length of the van is just nothing but hail density.
Hill and his wife continue their business of chasing storms, but this event has given them new respect for Mother Nature.
You don't fool with her. You have to respect her. I will never stop storm chasing. It's in my blood. I'll never quit.
And we were both just really, really black and blue after it was over with. Still chasing, absolutely.
Meet the Hutterites, a strictly traditional religious sect, where nearly everyone is related. For the first time, this tight-knit community invite National Geographic in,
We're just like everybody else. We're on Facebook.
whilst trying to keep modern